Hey, I'm Fish. Oh, we're heading out to getting a project and getting it done. And what we're gonna go get? 8-inch, 6-inch wood. I want to build like a shelf. Probably the same thing I got on the other side. Put it to the plasterboard, gypsum board, sheetrock. Because it's not easy to put things on sheetrock, if asked. So I put one like this, right against the wall, right? And I take the other one and I stick it on top. I screw it down. And then I take the other one and I put it underneath and I put two sides on. And I'm good to go. What am I going to put on it? Oh, I'm going to put my cameras, my ornaments, and things. It's going to finish that wall up for me. I don't want to move the light I got on there, but if I have to take it off and put a different light or put a box on it, I can. And that would get rid of that AC over there. But I just got to figure things out, make it work for me, and that's what I'm going to do. I had this idea a long time ago. I'm putting it into effect now. Well, I'm here by Lowe's, getting ready to go in. I want to look at some barbecues while I'm here. I do need a wagon, so let's go grab a wagon. It's a wet one. Got what I needed. Also got some outdoor Clorox, as I always use each year. 3 pieces of wood, everything. Now I get my shelf built. Let's see what's happening. They're still sitting out here. How we protest. Don't look. Kia, tell you ride. How'd you come up with that name? Well, if I was to name a car, I'll name it It's My Car. Well, I'm Fish. I hope you enjoyed the project ride. Yeah, I got the stuff I need and off I go, and now I go build. I see you on the next one. Nothing like a rainy day. Waiting for a second pie. Yeah, double the pleasure. I did my work, got it done, and off we go. Get on out of here in a few, maybe 20 minutes later. So that's how my day went. Got my project done the way I wanted. Had to modify the corner so it fits in there perfect. Took down a light fixture. Now I gotta replace it, but I got something that I like that I got up there. So yeah, off we go. See you on the next adventure.